When we look into deep space, it feels like we're seeing reality itself. Galaxies fill the frame. Nebulae glow in rich color. The universe looks vast, ancient, and overflowing with structure. Feels complete. But that feeling is an illusion, because what we see through our telescopes is not the universe as it truly is. It is only the portion of reality that has managed to reach us, beyond the faintest detectable light, beyond the oldest images ever captured, and beyond the limits of time itself, exists a universe that remains unseen. Tonight we explore that hidden reality, not science fiction, not speculation, but the overwhelming majority of the real universe. For centuries, humanity believed the Milky Way was everything. Then we discovered that the night sky was filled with other galaxies, each one an island of stars. Today, astronomers estimate that the observable universe contains roughly 2 trillion galaxies. And yet, despite decades of sky surveys and the most powerful telescopes ever built, we have directly observed only a few tens of millions of them. That means more than 99.9% of galaxies have never been seen, not because they don't exist, but because the universe is far larger than light allows us to explore. First, distance. As light travels, it spreads out and weakens. A galaxy twice as far away is not just dimmer, can be dozens of times harder to detect. Second, expansion. Space itself is stretching. As it expands, light is stretched with it, shifted into wavelengths our instruments cannot see. Third, obstruction. Dust clouds, gas, and cosmic debris block entire regions of the sky. Eventually, even massive galaxies fade into the background of space. They are still there. We simply cannot see them. There is a fundamental boundary to what we can know by sight. It is called the cosmic horizon. This horizon marks the farthest distance light has been able to travel since the beginning of the universe. Anything beyond it is permanently invisible to us. And here is the unsettling truth. As the universe expands, this horizon does not keep up, which means that, over time, more of the universe slips beyond reach. Not destroyed, not gone, just unreachable. On the largest scales, the universe forms an enormous pattern. Galaxies trace vast filaments, stretching across hundreds of millions of light-years. Between them lie cosmic voids, regions almost completely empty. This structure is called the cosmic web. But what we observe is only its brightest highlights. Most of the web is made of faint galaxies, cold gas, invisible dark matter. We see the illuminated edges, not the full framework, like mistaking a city's streetlights for the city itself. The universe is not just expanding. It is expanding faster with time. This acceleration is driven by dark energy, a force that pushes space itself apart. As this acceleration continues, distant galaxies recede faster. Their light stretches beyond detection. Entire regions fade from observability. In the distant future, even nearby galaxies will disappear from view. The universe will still exist, but from our perspective, it will appear increasingly empty. 12 o'clock. Galaxies that never revealed themselves. Some galaxies may never have been visible at all. Tiny primordial galaxies, with too few stars to shine brightly. Others formed inside dense clouds of dust, their light absorbed before escaping. Some burned fast and faded early, leaving behind almost no detectable signal. They existed. They influenced cosmic history, yet they remain forever unseen. Their presence is known only through indirect evidence. Much of the universe's structure was shaped by things we cannot see. Dark matter forms vast invisible halos that galaxies grow inside. Without it, galaxies would never have formed. Entire clusters owe their shape to matter that emits no light at all. Even today, around 85% of all matter is dark, unseen, yet essential. When we imagine life beyond Earth, we picture stars and galaxies we can observe. But most galaxies are invisible. Most stars are hidden. If life exists elsewhere, the overwhelming majority of it would exist in regions we will never observe. Civilizations could rise and fall beyond the cosmic horizon without leaving any detectable trace, not because they failed, but because space itself keeps us apart. Astronomy is not just about observation. It is about inference. We measure galaxy motions, gravitational lensing, cosmic background radiation, statistical patterns. From these subtle clues, we reconstruct a universe far larger than what we can observe directly. Every cosmic map is incomplete. Every image shows only a fraction. Yet from these fragments, we have uncovered profound truths. Modern cosmology is built not from certainty, but from careful deduction. We model unseen galaxies. We simulate invisible matter. We predict structures beyond observation. Again and again, the conclusion remains the same. What we see is only a thin surface layer of reality. The universe is not mostly visible. It is mostly hidden. Future telescopes will see deeper. Infrared observatories will reveal earlier galaxies. Radio arrays will map cosmic gas across time. But even perfect technology cannot overcome fundamental limits. Light cannot outrun expansion. Time cannot be reversed. Some regions of the universe are not waiting to be discovered. They are forever beyond reach. The invisible universe teaches humility. It reminds us that reality does not depend on observation, that knowledge has boundaries, and that existence is far larger than what we can ever see. From one small planet, around one ordinary star, we have learned that the universe is mostly hidden, and yet we continue to understand it, not by seeing everything, but by learning what we cannot. Enjoyed the video? Give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts below.